हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के 40 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज हैं ये। चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना देरी किए। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रियल फ्लो इज ऑल्सो नोन एज, इसका आंसर है फिजिकल फ्लो। रियल फ्लो रिलेट्स टू द फ्लो ऑफ फैक्टर सर्विसेज फ्रॉम हाउस होल्ड टू फर्म्स. Losses are classified as flow variable. Income method is also known as distributable share method. Which of the following is not a component of domestic income? Answer is net factor income from abroad. Value added means value of output less intermediate cost. Banks are regulated and controlled by, इसका आंसर है बैंकिंग कंपनीज एक्ट 1949. Who regulates money supply? Reserve Bank of India. Which of the following agency is responsible for issuing rupee 1 currency note in India? Ministry of Finance. Medium of exchange is a primary function of money. Money supply refers to total volume of money held by public at a particular point of time. High powered money consists of currency held by public with and cash reserve with bank. AD curve starts point above the origin. Aggregate supply and national income are always equal. At equilibrium level, saving and investments are equal. AD curve is a positively sloped curve. Borrowing is a capital receipt because it creates liability. Interest income is a part of non-tax and revenue. So answer is both A and B. Union budget is the budget of central government. Capital receipts include borrowings. The non-tax revenue is the following in the following is, इसमें क्या है, डिविडेंड जो है वो नॉन टैक्स रेवेन्यू है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ रेवेन्यू रिसीट? रिकवरी ऑफ लोन, क्योंकि इससे एसेट डिक्रीज होती है. कैपिटल रिसीट है ये. इसमें बोल रहा है नॉट अ रेवेन्यू रिसीट. ये तीनों जो हैं ये रेवेन्यू रिसीट्स है. इनफ्लो ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज is recorded on the credit side of balance of payment. Balance of payment is a flow concept. Depreciation of domestic currency leads to rise in exports. A change from rupees 150 equals to 2 pound to rupees 60 is equals to 1 pound indicates that rupee is appreciating. Which of the following is not a component of balance of payment? Nominal account. When receipts of foreign exchange are more than payments of foreign exchange, balance of payment is surplus. Imports of goods and services raises the demand of foreign exchange. Flexible exchange rate is also known as floating exchange rate. The value of US dollar, $1 has gone down from rupees 70 to 65. इट मीन्स दैट, बताइए क्या होगा अगर $1 जो है वो 70 से 65 हो गया, तो इंडियन रुपी क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, अप्रिशिएट हो रहा है. US डॉलर डेप्रिशिएट हो रहा है. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? ऑप्शन सी. सप्लाई ऑफ मनी refers to quantity of money as on any point of time. What is consumption of fixed capital called? Consumption of fixed capital depreciation को बोलते हैं. NDPFC किसके बराबर है? NDPMP माइनस इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स. The market value of all final goods and services produced in an economy over a year is called gross domestic product. GNPMP क्या होता है? GDPMP plus net factor income from abroad. Which service is included in tertiary sector? Communication. Which one is included in primary sector? Land, forest, mining. All of these. तो आंसर होगा all of these. Money is what money does. Who said it? ये किसने बोला था? हार्टले विदर्स ने. मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी इज रिलेटेड टू ओपन मार्केट ऑपरेशन. तो इस तरह से ये 40 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. इसको आप एक बार देख लीजिएगा. थैंक यू.